Hello everyone, guess what I got? I just ordered and received a GreenStalk gardening tool that allows you to grow plenty of veggies right here in my lanai or on your balcony or in your garden, wherever you want. But it's so amazing because you don't even need a yard for it, to be honest. But I'm excited to start with mine because I'm gonna start growing more veggies, get more self-sustainable, become more cost-effective, and have a healthier product. I'm so tired when I go to the store and every time I look at produce I have to try to guess if it's actually safe, if there's not a lot of pesticides on it, or even if I get organic stuff, sometimes I just get frustrated because it's not what I want or it's just too pricey. So I decided to go and grow a little bit of my own. Here we go. So what I got here is, this is the base, which is actually fun because once you see what I get, it's actually movable. So these are parts of this thing. And this is actually the simple picture of what it's going to look like. They're actually giving you instructions, really cool. Let me show you the instructions. I love having instructions for putting anything together. And beautiful pictures too. Look at this bright green, beautiful. And here's another picture on the back. It's vertical planter instructions. Very nice. Thank you, GreenStalk, for doing that for us. Just amazing. Setup and watering, they show you how to do that. They're giving you just all kinds of amazing instructions. So it seems like it's really simple because I've seen somebody else do this on YouTube and it just really encouraged me to just go ahead and do this. So look at this. I just love this instruction. Here we go. There's also a nice thank you card that's really lovely. Thank you for choosing our small family business. It means the world to us. Made in the USA. I love it. And oh wow, so what I also love is that the person who packages your GreenStack or GreenStalker is going to be putting a card in here. So my person was Justin O. Thank you, Justin O, for putting together my package. I can't wait. And then, oh, there's a magazine. Look at that. It's also a magazine that has in it lots of suggestions. And for me, the person who really encouraged me was Cassandra from Maryland, which is actually where we came from before we moved to Florida. So thank you, Cassandra, becoming a farm girl, for encouraging me on YouTube. It's got all kinds of stories in there. Amazing. Look at this. Just lots of stuff. Look at that. This is going to be fun. This is going to be a fun read. Beautiful pictures. Absolutely beautiful pictures. So this is the magazine that comes with this order for free. So now I'm going to unpack. Oops. On that side and so the base that I just showed you also has wheels, so you can have a movable base or just one that's standard, just in place. But I like the movable base because I have a lanai and I can open all my windows because it's winterized, and I can choose to open the windows or not. But I can also choose to move my stacker outside. So that's why I took the ones with the wheels. This is a tube that goes on the bottom at the base because that helps to drain the water when you're watering your plants. Amazing. Now, by the way, I love this paper. You know what I'm going to do with this? I'm going to shred it and use it for my composting. Yes. Talking about recycling. Ooh. And so each of the levels looks like this. So this is one tier, and then there's 7 of them, and I'm going to put this together. Thank you for GreenStalk for encouraging me, and thank you, Cassandra, for also encouraging all of us on YouTube. See you in a little bit.